Hello friends, this is Shivam and you are watching Analytics Mantra, and in this tutorial we will be using QlikSense and we will try to plot some beautiful charts with the help of QlikSense. So this is the tool that we will be using to perform the data visualization tasks in QlikView. So let us now try to see how it looks like and how we can use the QlikSense. And so I will be using the QlikSense that we have downloaded in the previous lecture. So it looks like this, the window looks like this, and it provides many beautiful dashboards, the sample dashboards that can get you started. So you can also see how these dashboards are working, and you can also edit them. So these are the preloaded data sets and preloaded dashboards, so you can visualize these. So to create a new app or to create a new dashboard in QlikSense, we need to click on the create new app over here, and first of all you need to provide the name to this app, and let us now try to name it as the sales and sales viz. Okay, now click on the option over here, create, and it was created successfully. Click on the open app now, and now it will load the app that you just created, and so now you have created an app and there is no data set, so you need to import the data into your app, and you can do this by two ways. Either you can add the data from this button over here, or you can add the data from your data load editor. It contains all your data sources that you have loaded previously. You can save them in your data loader. So since we are creating this the first time, so let us now use the add data and click on it, and now you can see that you can select any of the data source that you want. You can connect with my data sources, and you can connect with the QlikView's data market sources. So in my data, you can see that there are a number of options over here. You can see that there are the all files. You can search your whole things up, and there are the Apache Hive files, Cloudera. It supports different types of formats of files. Apache Hive, Cloudera, the delimited files like CSV, TSV, and all these bunch of options over here you can implement. And since we want to use an Excel file, so let us now click on the Excel files, and now it will ask you to browse your computer to add the data. Since the data set is located on the desktop, so we'll be going to the desktop, and go to the desktop. You can import it by your own way. My data set is located at the desktop, so I will be searching for that, and now I will go to the data sets, and here I can also change it to all files, and here it will show me the different types of CSV file and different types of files. So I will be using the sales product data set, so I will be importing it and clicking on the next button, and now it is showing me the different variables and different entries of the data. You can see how interactive it is. It is showing me everything all over here, and you can also change the types like delimited file, whatever type of file that it is, and various other options like what is the delimiter, and various options like what is the character set. So these are the openly automated things, and we need to change this. We can, but here it is all done, and now we will click on the load data and finish button, and now it will take some time to load the data set, and now it is loaded the data set, and you need to edit the sheet, and click on the edit the sheet. Now here the sheet is empty, so you need to create some beautiful charts with the data set that you loaded. So you need to click on the chart option over here. You can do a bunch of things over here. You can save your items in master items. You can change your fields. You can custom the objects, and this is the formula bar over here showing the variables, the different variable, and it is the properties tab over here. You can change the properties of your objects inside the sheets. So we will be creating a bar chart first of all in this very first lecture of using QlikSense, and let's now click on the bar chart, and it is over here, and now you need to add the dimension to it. You can add the dimension to it. You can choose from the dimension that you have So you can choose any kind of dimension that you want from here. You can add the year as the x-axis and add measure as the revenue. We want to see how the revenues are going by the year with the help of bar chart. That's all we wanted to do with the help of this bar chart. And you can get the average, you can get the sum, you can get the count. It depends on your situation at what variable you are using. Since we want the we want to visualize the revenue, so we will be using the average revenue, and here it is the bar chart. So it is showing that we have 3 years in a data set, 2012 to 2014, and it is showing how the sales are there, how the revenue is generated. So it is 35,000 around here, 45,000 and 55,000 around over here. The sales is increasing from 2012 to 2014, and you can see that from here you can change your things of the chart, this chart, and you can sort it. You can change the dimensions from the data tab over here. You can sort it according to you, by year, by average. You can get the add-ons, but the main thing is appearance over here. So you can change a number of things from this tab. You can set the title over to the chart. So we will be giving the title as year wise sales, and giving the subtitle. We can see that from 2012 to 2014. So we have provided the title and subtitle, and in the same way we will also use the other things, like we can use the presentation tab to change the orientation. You can change the colors and legend, and it is obviously at the auto, so you need to change it. And you can change it to the colors by dimension, by measure, by expression. By measure it will show you things going darker because the sales has increased, so this one is dark color and this one is light color. But we want to change it by the dimensions, so here we are. So, and you can also change other things like the x-axis and the y-axis. You can change these things also. So this is the way to customize your chart, the bar chart that you have created. Again, click on this property tab and hide this thing, and so here is your sheet, and you can change this size of this thing over here, and you can move this chart from anywhere, and you can see how the sales are. You can change this. So this shows how the sales are coming, how the sales are getting throughout the years. So this was the basic way to create a bar chart, and in the coming next tutorials we will we will learn how to use different objects and different things in QlikView. So I hope you guys liked the video, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.